Alright, today we're working on another Ducati lost key replacement. This one came from one of our dealerships that we deal with. This one's going to be a 2007 1098. Basically, they sent us 2 keys. We're not going to be able to use the chips in these keys. They already have data on it. I'm going to have to write my own data to new chips. I'll see if I can take these apart. Most of these are sealed units. But if I can get it apart without damaging it, I'm going to go ahead and switch out the chips. That's about it. So basically, ultimate goal, get 2 keys programmed into the dash, send it back to the customer so they can give it to their customer, and life goes on. I'll come back in a little bit with everything done. All right, this puppy is done. It's going to go back to the dealership so they can get their customer back on the road. Here's the 2 new chips. I mean, not new chips. Here's the old chips that was in the keys. I was able to get these keys apart, switch out the chips. Like I said, there's a 50-50 chance. Some keys are just straight sealed, and I have to cut new keys. In this case, I was able to take the old chips out, put new ones in, and write the data to the new chips into the dash. Some of y'all might get some of the units back with tape, only because I don't want to put no scratches on the dashboards. When y'all send me dashboards, I don't want no additional scratches on your screens. So the first thing I'm going to do is tape it up. Make sure that everything goes back the same way you send it in. Yeah, not much to say. This came, like I said, this came from one of our dealerships that we deal with from throughout the country. This came out of the Midwest. There ain't really much to say at this point. Once the dealer gets this back, it'll be plug and play. So if you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. If you have issues with your bike, I'm not the guy, I only deal with the keys. I'm not a motorcycle mechanic, so you're going to have to consult a motorcycle mechanic. What else can I say? Oh, those of you that do call me sometime and say why you can't find nobody in your area, it's a few good reasons. 1, they may not see a lot of these bikes in their area. 2, they may not have the training because they don't see a lot of the work, so it doesn't make sense to go train. 3, may not have the equipment. And if you don't see enough work, it don't make sense to spend a few $1,000s in equipment that you're not going to get your money back. It's just not a sound business decision. So those are the reasons. I've been seeing a lot of these bikes. Like I said, my first Ducati bike was probably a ST2. I want to say, I don't know, early 2000s maybe. But so I've been doing it a long time, and I've been dealing with the different systems as they create newer and newer systems. I get the software and I stay up to date, and so I have a lot of software for Ducatis and all types of bikes and all types of equipment without going into great detail. But like I said, again, you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take, or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate y'all.